What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit different style video here. We're going to do some TA on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. I made this new watch list. I'm basically calling this the top 3 of Wall Street because we have a spot ETF of Bitcoin, we have a spot ETF of Ethereum, and now there's whispers we're gonna probably get one for Solana. We'll see. Anyways, so, this video is going to be dedicated to looking at this as if I was a hedge fund, because from my knowledge, I'm pretty sure hedge funds like to look at the weekly and the daily, mostly. So, we're going to go back in history here. We're going to see what kind of major levels to look out for based off what we've seen before. So, we're going to go from the all-time high back in 2017. We have this beautiful wick high, and then we're going to just bring that straight across. We got a nice wick high, bring it straight across. Now we're going to bring it down to the lowest candle high close. So you can see, if we zoom in here, we have this wick, this candle high close. We're going to call this a range. It's an important range because that's what price action was actually getting involved with. Now we can see as we went up, we went straight up, we broke the heart line, we tapped the bottom of the range, found support off these candle high closes. That's great. That's awesome. And what did we do after that? We just took off. Let me make sure this gets right. Okay. We took off. We broke above the heart line, almost tested the top, almost got all-time high, retested the heart line, and then we broke out. We did not see a back test until the following bear market. But if we pull it out, you can see we tested the bottom of the channel, which are these candle high close around that $15,000 level. That was our previous bear market low. And then once we got out of it, we even back tested the channel. So this is a very significant level, and we need to just cement that in history. Now, we are in a new market. We're in a new time. We're in the future. Let's go ahead and see if the same thing is starting to play out. So, candle high close, candle lows. We're going to actually pay attention to that. So, right here, candle high, bring it across, candle low, bring it down there. Candle low, I'm looking at this, as well as seeing the resistance that we hit. Now, let's look and see what happened in the last bull run. Last bull run, we popped up here. We hung out for a little bit, sold off. We got back up in here. As soon as we tried to break above it, we sold off again, sold off hard. And we even back tested bearishly on the weekly. So that is important. Now let's see what's going on over here. We tried to break above. We tried to stay above. We are literally just in the range. So everybody who wants to get super bearish out here, we're in a range. We're literally just range bound from our previous all-time highs. So it's not nearly as bad as anyone thinks. This is good to know. And then also, considering we trended up to it, it's kind of a really bullish situation. We're expecting more upside. Because the last time, we were up here very short period, fell down. Very short period, fell down. This time, we're bullishly backtesting just like we did over here. We are back testing the low, which could happen to be a chance at moving up and getting this run. So will that happen again? I don't know. But all I am seeing is a bullish back test. We're back in neutral territory on the weekly. Our stochastics are low on the weekly. The negative momentum hasn't started cooling off yet. But if you actually look at these trend lines here on the weekly, we were just overcooked. We're way too high. Now we're back in reasonable areas where we could start curving back to the upside. So I am quite bullish on Bitcoin, thinking the bull run is about to get started. Like I honestly think the bull run's about to get started, especially considering we've been consolidating for 6 months. I said this live on stream the other day, which also link is down below. Catch me live on Twitch, where I do take all requests, and yeah. Anyways, live streams are on Twitch until we get to 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. But selfless plug over. Now let's look and see what this is. Let's go down to the daily. Looking at your daily time frame, your stochastic looks terrible, but as you can see over here, even when the stochastic gets high, we still could see more upward momentum, so that's fine. Your relative strength actually is the part that's very interesting, because you're coming off your lows, you're now in neutral territory, and it does kind of look like we're having a bullish consolidation here with a back test of this channel once again. So we could very well see a possible rally, but keep in mind we just had a death cross. We've been getting rejected from the 200 simple moving average, and if that 200 decides to continue upward, the 100 will more than likely cross over as well. But the nice thing about a double death cross, normally speaking, maybe on that day you see a bit of a sell-off, but that usually means the end of the sell-offs, so that's kind of nice. And I'm sure some of you are going to be like, what do you mean that's the end of the sell-offs? Well, let's look at the last time we had a double death cross. We had death cross, double death cross, little bit of sell pressure, and then we took off. So, keyboard warriors, I'm citing my source here. Right there. Looks beautiful. Looks absolutely great. You just backtested the 50, and then, oh, my goodness, we just kept going. So yeah, I'm not saying that's going to happen again. I'm just gonna throw out there, it happens pretty often. I mean, we can even go back to so that was a golden cross. Hold on, where's the last double? So we're even gonna look at this double death cross right here. Bit more sell pressure. Then we got the higher low. We still rallied. This was the beginning of the bear market. Then we bearishly backtested off the 200. That was the beginning of the bear market. You still saw a rally off of it. Because, you never know. But, anyways. Should I get one more example? One more? Double death cross here. Double death cross. A little bit of sell pressure. We made new all-time highs. Anyways. Usually on a double death cross we see a rally. That's really my point. I'm getting sidetracked. I'm getting onto a tangent. We're going to stop doing that. But what we could see is a little bit of a rally. We could rally back up to the heart line once again. And if we do that, that'll be good because the altcoins have a chance to breathe. But that would just be bearishly testing the 50 simple moving average. If we dump down, that's fine. That's fine. No worries. It wouldn't be that big of a deal because if we go back to the weekly, we have some levels of support sitting right below us. So first level I would be really focused in on would be this candle low close right here, 49,000. I would be really focused in on that. But we have a candle low close right here that we did formerly use as support. So we do also have this right here sitting at 55,600. That could pose as support. And then we have a couple candle high closes, which is right here. You can see candle high close used as resistance. So these are the three levels that would be in my immediate sight anywhere if we do fall again. If we fall again, it's like, hey, maybe we get a bounce off 55.6. Maybe we get a bounce off 55.8. Otherwise, 49.71, which acted as support recently. And that is our current low. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Sure. Why not? But overall, what we should be really focused in on is the fact that we are in a bull flag structure. We are finding some support. And on the daily, do we have it? Yeah, we kind of do. So you can see the low from back here, lower low, higher relative strength. So you can see the, where is it? Back here. So really low, higher relative strength. So the relative strength is coming up. This is hidden bullish divergence. That's from too far back. I need to focus in over here. Let's focus in over here. So right here, you have a low, higher low. It's very subtle, but you can see it here. From this low here, you had a higher low, still a higher low. Hidden bullish divergence is in play. We should see upside. So in the near term, we could see something like a 3.95% upside to a possible 5.96. people will be like, we're back, baby, but you know, the double hidden bearish divergent or double death cross could be in play. But overall, bullish on Bitcoin. Short term, I think we could see a little bit of a rally, but longer term, maybe we fall, just maybe. But these are my thoughts on Bitcoin. Tell me yours, comments below. I will be dropping another video very shortly. Going to be doing the exact same thing on Ethereum, and then I'm going to drop another video on Solana. So if you do like this, I plan on doing 3 videos consistently, either every day or every other day, depending on what the market's doing. Because no, if we're just trading sideways, I can go every other day. Also, be sure to check the description down below if you need an exchange with no KYC, just to, you know, keep Uncle Sam out of your pockets completely. Then check out the description. We are partnered up with Fairdesk as well as Jumpex. Both exchanges look extremely similar, and you can not only trade in there, plenty of trading options, there's deposit bonuses. You also can copy trade with me. You joining these using my affiliate link, it is helping the channel, so I do appreciate it if you do that. And if you do feel like joining the copy trading, definitely make sure, because I do not get 100% on my trades. Only be putting in there what you're willing to lose. I tell most people, start with $100. If you believe in me that much, maybe go more. But there is a split in there. It is passive income to you based off my trades. And I end up getting a 10% commission based off your winnings. Anyways, yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Check out the next video that's going to be dropping shortly. I'll catch you later. Hopefully your trades are going well. Keep your stop losses tight. Catch you in the next one.